Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick introduction to the to a specific Milwaukee M18 half-inch OneKey extended anvil impact wrench. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick introduction video on this tool. I already took it out the box, as you can tell. This is the OneKey 2769-20 half-inch extended anvil fuel 18-volt Milwaukee impact wrench. This does have a sticker on the top that says fastening mode factory settings. 40 foot-pounds to 75 foot-pounds in mode 1, 54 to 102 newton meters. Mode 2 is 75 to 150 foot-pounds, 102 to 203 newton meters, and it shows a car in speed 1, a truck in speed 2. Speed 3 doesn't give any foot-pound rating, it just says heavy duty. It shows a box truck, and speed 4 it says full power with a full throttle gauge. But this video will be out before the unboxing and everything. This is just a quick introduction video to the channel. I am not sure why the handle is so sticky. It's actually sticky enough that it pulls my skin away when I'm releasing on the handle. Not really sure. Might need to wipe it down and clean it. That's the way it came out the box. It's a torquey, very, very torquey tool. I haven't hooked it up to the OneKey yet on my app. But just a quick video. It's a short little introduction to the channel. That way, you know, if you guys want to see it, you guys can look at this video real quick, and then you'll know it's coming to the channel soon. If this doesn't interest you, then, you know, at least I know that this tool doesn't interest you. And it will get whoever is interested in this tool, will get you guys excited for the actual video that's coming out for it. I do plan on doing other videos on it as well. You know, we'll demo it on a vehicle as well. I bought this mostly for wheels and tires, tire changes, rotations. You know, need to take the rim off because we're doing work on brakes or whatever. That's what I got this for. I don't expect it to do as well as the regular short anvil version, which I do also have videos on. Do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I am waiting for the high output 4.0 to come out as well. That's supposed to be coming out soon. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do have an Ulsa Tools link below. It'll get you 10% off your order, Ulsa Tools, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. I want to say thank you to all of you guys that do subscribe, do watch the channel, as well as all the people that do not subscribe but do watch the channel. 90 or so % of my viewers are actually not subscribed, so I do want to say thank you to all of you guys, no matter if you're subscribed or not, and to all the people that use the affiliate links. Now YouTube is paying me, I'm monetized, and because you guys watch and use the affiliate links and everything, a lot of tools have been bought because of the channel. The channel is paying for itself now. So I do plan on in the future doing demos in wood and plenty of other stuff. Plenty more demo videos for you guys. Since the channel's paying for it, I have got 2 Milwaukee switch tanks on the way that we're going to be using and doing videos on for the channel. The channel did pay for those 2 Milwaukee switch tanks. So I do appreciate you guys so much for that. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!